And one other really cool thing I want to share with you guys is I spent like a whole weekend a while back, and I put up a exhaust fan up there, and it's just a furnace fan. But if you're painting here or you're running the torches, I really like it. I was going to put a 3-speed switch right here, which I've never done, or haven't done yet. I did have a 3-speed switch. They got hot, so I removed it and just bypassed it. But I did put a light on there. And I kind of like it because sometimes if you leave something on and you know, late at night, I look right over here and I can tell if my compressor's on or if my fan's on. So it's kind of you can't really see it running, I don't think, but it's running. So anyways, it's just kind of it's an easy way to, right before I leave the garage, to just look over here by the power panel and make sure everything's off. So it's I think I got this light. I collect and hoard stuff, so this little light is off of a really old refrigeration unit, like a Thermo King or something, and it's pretty nifty little light, because you know, if you have too many things running, and you decide to get all running in the house, and you can just, they're right next to each other. It's convenient, it's nice, and I just took that exhaust fan in probably about a month ago, and it's really nice. I was running the torches in here a little bit ago, and it brought in fresh air real quick. So thought I'd share that with everybody. Charlie Do right out.